How to deactivate Instagram account twice a week. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So there are basically no restrictions or time limits or the frequency of deactivation for your Instagram account. So simply open Instagram, then tap on your profile, tap on the menu bar, tap on settings and privacy, then search for deletion, deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. Then select the account, your Instagram account. Then as you can see, this deactivating your account is temporary. It means that your profile will only be hidden by other Instagram users, and you can reactivate it through by logging into your Instagram account easily. But the second option is to delete your account permanently. So if you delete your account, it will be deleted after a certain period of time. You can get it back before it gets permanently deleted, but after it gets deleted permanently, you cannot get back to your account. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.